Hey, just sitting out here with the puppies and figured I would do a very quick one-handed camera review of the Little Clucker watering cups versus the cheapest cups you can get on Amazon. Um, Firstly, I just want to show you O-rings because this is a big difference. On the Little Cluckers, this is the size of the O-ring you get. On the cheap ones, you get a very thin O-ring, which means you can screw the Little Clucker in all the way till you can't screw it anymore and then back it up a little bit and it will not leak. I actually broke two of these trying to get them to screw in enough so they would not leak. That's mainly an issue with the O-rings. Um, the reason why I switched to the Little Cluckers from the cheap ones is that my chickens could not figure out how to hit the yellow thing. They would walk down the line, drain every cup, and never hit the yellow thing. These do work fine, um, but if your chickens can't figure out how to hit that, they will never release water. So, which is why I went to this style cup, which it's a gravity system. So when the water goes in, it basically fills the cup, and when it gets so heavy, it turns off the flow of water. So far, these are working great, and the chickens are using them without any issues. Prices, the Little Cluckers, it is 20 bucks for 5 cups on Amazon right now. The cheap ones, you get 15 for 10 bucks right now. So if you have smart chickens, it might be the better option for you. Like I said, both work as designed. The only issue is getting your chicken to hit the yellow thing. One advantage the cheap ones have that the Cluckers don't is you can remove that cup for easy cleaning. On the Cluckers, there's no way you're going to remove that cup without complete disassembly, and odds are you're not going to get that thing back together again. So I'll put links to both of these items in the description, and that's all I really got for you. Just want to do a brief one on there. I'll give you a look at the Nook there, and Kira, and this is Eric. If you like this, please hit the subscribe button, and you have yourselves a great day.